What's up, Ali here, and today we are going to have just a short video to share this amazing collection of PS4 themes. Unfortunately, this is only for Jailbroken PS4 since the format is on FPKG, and I only saw this on a random thread, and I'm not able to get to the thread again, so I cannot find who the author of this collection. But if there's anyone who knows who the author is, please do let me know so that I may provide a proper credit for the creator of this amazing collection. So let us go ahead and provide the link for these themes, and I will also show you how we can install this on the PS4. On the link will take you directly to the themes. The good thing here is it already has a preview, so you will know what you are going to download. You can just pick whatever you want, but you can also just download everything by clicking here. But there is a limit for a mega, or there is a download limit for every mega file. It will stop for every around 3 to 4 gig. But what I did was I used JDownloader to download this file, and I just found out, I don't know if it is just a glitch or a bug, but I was able to download the whole file in a single sweep. So you may try to download or you may try to use JDownload to use all of this, but if you want to pick a specific themes, there is so much here that you can choose. So let's say, for example, let's try to pick one theme here. Let's try here. Sorry, it took me a long time to pick a theme because there's just so much to choose from here. So if you have found your theme, then this is the link for the PKG. So once you have picked your theme, just double click here, and it will automatically download the file. So just wait for the file to download, and we have to prepare a USB or a external hard drive if you want to transfer them using this format or using this process. But you may also try to transfer them using FTP. We actually have a separate video how to FTP file directly from PC to PS4. I will just leave the link on our description. So once you have downloaded the file, just locate your file and extract them on their folder. So right click and extract on their folder. And you will see two files in the folder, I mean 3 files. So you will have to install these 2 packages here. Just drag and drop them on the root of your hard drive. I think we have already done that, so let us just go ahead and overwrite all. And let us double check our hard drive if we have them here. So we already have it here. So the Final Fantasy 12 Zodiac Age PKG1 and PKG2. We go ahead and plug this on our PS4. On the PS4, after we activate our Gold Hen, we can go ahead and go to the Gold Hen menu and install PKG files. Then we have to download the 2 PKGs. Let's start with the PKG1. And once you get to the PKG2, you will get a message that it is already installed, but you have to install it again. Otherwise, the PKG will be locked, and you have to install both PKGs for you to be able to install or to use the themes. Then once the theme has been installed, we go in the theme section. Then we pick our themes here. So this is what we have picked. So let us apply this, and let's go ahead and check the themes. So I'm not really a fan of this theme, so I may definitely change this later, but this is it. So again, if there's anyone who knows who the author of this amazing collection, please do let me know so that we can thank them. And again, this is Ali. If you found this video helpful, please again do leave me a thumbs up, and please do subscribe, and hopefully we see you on the next one. Bye bye.